Which one?
What? So wherever you'd like to.
Interrogation. Okay, so interrogation, how you compare values outside of FLL. Well, in my school, in art class, we had to make a volcano on the group with the best volcano got a prize. Our team discovered that if you make a bigger base and sturdier, it gets, and if you only use one person's strategy, it might not work, and not to fight about if the strategy will work.
And mine is,
Don't worry about it.
It's okay, don't worry.
failing forward is when you fail at something, and because you fail, you learn more and can be more successful next time. At school, when I get a question wrong on my math test, my teacher helped me fail forward by teaching me how to solve the math problem. This is why I fell out, because when you're working on the robot and you program it, you have to reprogram it and you discover more about what it didn't work.
So mine is gracious professionalism, and in school we did a debate about sports, and we had a debate about whether you want competitive sports or you do not want competitive sports, and even though we were debating against each other, we still used gracious professionalism and helped each other and used each other's ideas to get more evidence. And that helps in FLL because you're supposed to help other teams while also trying to learn yourselves.
I had discovery, and so when we went to advanced disposal, one thing that we discovered about the workers there, they worked very hard on a pretty low salary to keep the plant healthy and green. And also, when we also visited another an engineering campus, we discovered that there's some scientists there, and the work they're doing the work that the scientists there are doing can alter the future one day and make it a better place.
Time for questions?
Okay, thank you. Which was more important to you, the project, the robot game, or the core values?
I would say core values.
Yeah, we did a lot of activities at our practices just to work at core values to so we could get we would be better at this here, and we just get to know about each other.
Yeah, and we went to a community center in Madison, and we did all those activities with them.
Okay.
But don't get us wrong, we also tried to put equal importance in robot game and
We put equal importance in all of our items,
But I
our core
think
values,
we-
our project, and our robot.
But I think we work most on core values maybe.
You guys agree with him or not?
Yeah, like on the last couple of practices, we've done core value activities to help each other with core values, and we've also done we've worked on our project a lot as a group, and then we split into different groups to work on the project and the robot.
See, we have different groups here where we thought we best fit in.
Okay, thanks.
And so those groups were
We gotta keep moving, we got questions to get through.
So what did you guys do to have fun together?
Well, sometimes we have we had a work a whole day on Saturday, I think it was. Like half the day we did fun time, and half the day we worked on the robot project.
Okay. Excellent.
How did your team demonstrate the core values and your team practices in your school or in the community?
Well, we all shared, most of us shared in our classrooms, and we shared with a lot of communities.
Yes, do you have a specific example, or is,
We went to the East Madison Community Center and did lots of core values, activities with them,
okay.
and yeah.
Did you have any goals for this season, and how did you figure those goals out?
Well, one of our goals was we have to not get distracted since we have a big group, and it's hard to focus a lot because we have a big group.
How did you divide up your time workload among you?
So we had 3 different groups. We had the Research Kings, and where they did all the research on the project. We had the Robo Dudes, who did the programming and on the robot and worked on the robot. And then we also had the Multi-Men, who specializes in problem solving and technology.
But all of them sometimes, but they didn't just work on that like the whole time. They worked on,
They helped other people on
but they worked on.
That to most.
Okay.
So do you have an example of how you helped any other teams or accepted help from other
Yeah,
teams?
so we were at the science festival in Madison, and there was a team that was participating in Appleton for the first year, and we helped them like figure out like what was gonna happen at the tournament and what they were supposed to expect.
How many years have you been together as a team?
2 years.
Some of us, 3. Some of us were in junior and fellow, but.
Time?
2 years.
Okay, thank you very much for your presentation. Good
Yeah,
job.
I got some.